Good morning, guys. Firework Explorer. We are ready for another adventure experience today. We are a little bit sleepy because today is the second day that we are here. And
even we're gonna go to a cookie maker.
When we booked our Airbnb to stay here, we were offered to do some Airbnb experiences in Mongolia, and one of them was a taste of Mongolia, which is a cooking lesson. So we decided for once to try this, and that's where we're going today. Let's go.
Really rainy today.
today is a rainy day here in Mongolia, but it's okay, no problem. We'll manage.
Did you see she drives on this side? And the taxi we went on the other day drove on the other side. They have both.
They have both actually.
So now officially, what side of the road should you be driving?
This side is more typical one.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
So life is made for the other side here in Mongolia.
We are going to make two kinds of traditional food.
Usually our Mongolian dishes are infused with the flour and meat. The main ingredients.
Okay, we're eating meat.
Seriously?
Seriously? Okay.
You're gonna edit it.
We're going cooking
So we
now.
came here for a
We're
cooking
going
class and now we are doing the
Tour.
tour. So we actually in a house of a person, okay, a lady, that she's gonna show you how to prepare the
Two traditional meals.
traditional meals. They're gonna bring us to the store to buy the
Ingredients.
ingredient. So we start from the beginning. It's really cool, guys. Where are we going?
We're going shopping for food because the most important part of the cooking lesson is not the cooking part, it's buying the food part, because you can cook, but then if you don't know what you have to buy to cook, then you're gonna get nowhere. At least now, if you find all this stuff, you can probably cook anywhere. And then probably gonna tell you in the video the exact ingredients, so you guys don't have to be at this cooking lesson. Oh my gosh, we're so nice to you guys. You know what would be
Instead
really
to-
nice for you?
instead-
For us, if you subscribed, maybe like this video, and maybe followed us on the other two things like Facebook and Instagram, and maybe that would be something
So
very nice
the
that you could do to
music,
us.
Walking in the neighborhood, walking in the neighborhood. It looks like we are going in a house, but I think it's a shop. Let's see.
Something you definitely need.
It's a small shop. Yeah, right.
No, something extra important for Mika. Nutella.
Nutella. So we just learned that it's honey mixed with a fruit, okay? In this case, it's honey citron tea. You mix it with water and you just drink it. This one, it's made of pomegranate. Now this is from Korea. It's cool how you go in this little store. They look like a house, but they are a store. And they buy a lot of stuff to cook. So most of our grocery shop is coming from here.
Most important ingredient is Haribo gummy bears.
We are in the middle of the neighborhood. There is a playground, all the houses, all the apartments, and we went just in there. If we weren't with them, we didn't know that it was a shop inside there. After going out and grocery shopping, what do we have to do in order to cooking? You have to go to the bathroom and wash your hands.
Tsuiva.
Here.
Tsuiva.
I'm going to forget that tomorrow.
The first, usually the Mongolians don't use the prepared the flour. They knead our dough by themselves. All the families, those are prepared by themselves. They think that it's very fresh and it's easy and soft to eat. Supermarket in the shops, the frozen, the flour are used, but the families don't prefer them.
Okay. So they mix their own dough.
Yeah. If you want to help me, yeah. For the stir, it's good.
How many of these do we have to make?
4 rolls and 3 different dishes.
Oh, so this is for all the dishes.
Yeah.
I want to cut some.
You need some water
Whoa.
and mix it.
Cabbage, not too much.
Salt. Yeah.
First,
You do like that.
Yeah. Okay. You're doing that too.
See, look, you have to make a bowl like that.
Yeah.
Ella, you
Yes.
can try.
Press it down.
So while Cosimo is making a dough,
Watch out your finger.
she starts cutting the cabbage.
Okay.
Should we cut this piece?
Again. Mix this. Yes. It's all of this flour. Join them. Too big.
This is called kneading, right? I'm kneading to wash my hands.
Alright, go ahead, keep on going. See, look how tight she made it. See, she made it cut too.
If it doesn't mix, you should add some water and
I'm gonna do faster.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll show you. Can I have a try? Can I show you?
So if you want to softer, you have to add more water.
Potato, cabbage, and carrots are the main.
Sometimes the main.
And do you grow them here in Mongolia or import them? Okay.
Who was better at kneading, me or her?
Can I do that one?
It's a Mongolian carrot.
One of that is gonna have a tooth.
You are getting taller.
Yeah, now you just grew more.
No, look, come cut the onion. Come cut the onion. Come cut it.
Frying the cabbage. The most favorite dish by Mongolian men.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Mutton.
Mutton? What is that? Oh, sheep. Okay. You mix the vegetable and after you put the meat inside.
Yeah.
That's all?
You have to push down. You don't just
Just the
roll.
edges of the. So easy to make it bigger.
Breaking pizza.
I am trying.
You're not really pushing.
I am.
So if you go to the edge, she said, it's easy to open it. You had to make it thinner.
This.
that's very thicker.
She does it so fast and it's so thin.
We do it every evening for our dinner.
Push, Luca, strong.
Oh, that looks cool.
This looks so good now. I just want to eat it.
Good, Luca.
Now we're going to cut 3.
Okay.
Okay, it's yours.
Oh. Look. I'm just going to put it where you have to put it.
Oh.
There.
Be careful with your finger.
Because otherwise we're going to be here until tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, it's going to be the thickest out of all of them.
Well, no, it's Luca's.
Yeah.
Luca, please.
Nope.
Luca,
No Peru on the do.
bye.
No Peru on the tube.
No, it's nope on a rope. Thinner?
Yeah. So yesterday,
It will be
You let it steam like
Yeah,
that.
steam.
Okay, okay.
for 15 minutes.
Okay.
It's ready.
Cut the little.
Oh, you mix it. Okay.
that looks like chicken. Ah, you use the chopstick here.
Mm-hmm.
This is ready now?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, the final plate of our first dish. Oh.
What do you want to use?
Ooh. I'm having my first bite of our first dish. I am the professional critic of this plate, but I am a very good critic. Am I right, mother? I was born a critic. I give this meal 10 stars.
Machinina.
5, that's it. The top you can do is 10. Oh, 10. And you, mother?
10.
10.
And Luca? Oh, you put 10, okay.
No, I said 0.
No, 10 is a. Okay, but you just had a 1 to that, so then it's. Oh!
I got a better idea. Goodbye.
People don't eat meat.
I'll go with
Okay.
it. I
past.
like this.
Okay.
They usually eat dairy products, drink arak. It's one kind of drinking made of
Oh,
marshmallows
And you do like this.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now you do it.
and yogurt, cheese, and
you
milk.
dropped it.
So if you cut it like this, then you turn it,
You want to make
and
it
you cut it like that. Okay? Well, she's mixing the meat. Look at Lucas doing. He's like, he found 3 seat things and he's laying on all 3 of them. That's the qualities of being short. It looks like when you make
make it like
ravioli. You have the bowl where you put where you get the spoon. and you do-
filling, yeah.
and ravioli is just the Italian version of dumplings.
Making a small ball for the dumplings.
Now we are doing 2 kinds
I know
of
that.
dumplings, fried and steamed.
Usually the fried and the steamed dumplings are used for the national festivals. In summer, the fried dumplings are very popular to eat, and the steamed ones are used in winter time for our national festival to be frozen. And we just steam it when we have guests at home. Several kinds of pinch. This is called flower.
It looks like a human dancing.
So you fold it.
How is it?
And
Can I
you
roll?
You can
pinch
do that.
here. Then you do like that. And you
You can also.
Yeah, that looks
You
like
can also compose yourself.
a giant sausage.
Yeah, follow
You're
that.
making the one in Nepal.
I'm making this one. Yeah, this is the classic dumpling.
What? I want to make that.
When the dumplings have got the hole on it, it makes them the more juicy. You can do it like this.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is it's called sheep.
I mastered that.
We have to stick it. Yeah.
And now you just
I ruined it.
This one is more used for the festivals. The whole family is about at least 500. The boat
1,000.
Oh wow.
or to the
If the family is
1,000.
big, maybe
Yeah,
2,000.
if the family is big,
For how many days of festival?
for 3 days. Before the festival, we prepare the boat dumplings and it's frozen. When the guests come, it's
ready.
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice and full.
it's easier. It's rose.
When you fry them, if they're open, doesn't everything fall out?
No any hole. It's steamed It's for
No, but you said
steaming.
you fry them too. Do you fry them? You make the closed ones for
Close
frying.
it, yes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, close. You know pancake?
Yeah.
The fried ones is like pancake.
You just get two, 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 two. And you're just doing two. Ah, you show us, master.
It's hoshor.
Oh, oh, we do the boat again.
Yeah.
Mine looks pretty good, Emma.
Yeah, it looks like someone just stepped on a beautiful one.
Done.
Come on!
That looks like. Oh
Well,
my.
that isn't fair. We have so much.
You have to make another one so we can get pancake.
Easy.
We're making.
It's easy.
Oh,
She still makes it pretty.
Oh, that's so.
I'm gonna make it better than you, Emma.
I'm gonna make it better than you.
Whoa!
It looks like someone braided it.
Now he's gonna say it's his.
Oh, that looks. That's cute. That's the big.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a rainbow.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, when you cut it off.
That's all.
It's like making ravioli.
If you can't have it to pitch, it's easy.
I want to have this one.
So this 20 minutes and this how much?
Time we just see.
Yeah, when it's brown.
Mom, I gave it a horn. Look.